guys, it's I from Totally INR, and today I am showing you how we make taco boats for dinner with my brother R2.
Hey guys! Got
So,
fun with my voice?
we peel the carrot.
Here we go.
Okay, and then you cut the ends off with a very sharp knife, and then do you want to grate?
Yes, I want to grate.
Grate that in. Let me do it. You right there?
Yes.
Did you grate yourself?
No, I'm just whacking my hand. My thumb. Really hurts.
Ow.
Told ya. Spatula. Love my spatula.
Okay.
Spatula.
Now we've finished grating the carrot, and we're just going to put it into our bowl.
Now I'm going to transfer the meat from the plate to the frying pan. Or should I say the frying pan?
Boom, done.
Oh my gosh.
That's dandy.
Yeah, stab it.
R2, would you like to stab the mince while I finish the salad?
Yeah, I will.
And don't flick any anyway.
I'm now going to brown the mince.
And I'm just ripping off lettuce leaves and then putting them in
In the salad bowl. That's where the cheese goes.
It is?
Yeah. We should do a cooking show.
Now I'm just putting cheese into
The left side.
and we buy grated cheese so we don't have to grate it, thankfully.
I think we need more cheese. I am almost done browning the mince.
Wait, are you meant to blend 2 different cheeses together?
Yeah, that's fine. That's a pizza blend.
We're using these tacos for
Taco
taco
pot.
boats. But once the meat's browned, you put the spice mix thing in and put it over the top. Oh, it smells funny.
It smells nice. It smells nice.
And then you put water in it, 3/4 of water, or whatever your taco thing says, over the top. Just don't touch the pan. And then you stir it all in it, so mix it all together.
Then you mix it together for a little bit.
It looks like way too much water. And then you turn the temperature down and let it simmer for 2 minutes.
I'm grabbing a plate right now for the taco bathtubs because they do not have a sail. So they are bathtubs, not boats.
Okay, and then you take the boats out of the plastic. That was so hard.
No, oats out of the microwave.
So now you just gotta wait. So now the sauce is thickened, and now we're just gonna put it into one of these bowls. Okay, so now we're all ready for dinner. Yay! So now I'm gonna make a taco boat like how I would make a taco boat. So first I would put meat in it, carrot in it,
Carrot.
cheese
Cheese.
on top of the carrot, and then I would put lettuce over the top of that. There's my taco boat. So my parents have it with sauce, and my brother has it with sour cream as well. So, and you can just add whatever toppings you want. Sour cream.
Yes.
Okay.
Sour cream and taco sauce.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Hope you enjoy your dinner.
Enjoy your dinner. This is
Bless you.
Don't come in.
Never mind.
We're going to cut
You come through. Come through.
We're going to cut it.
Come through.
Yes, then we're going to cut it.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
That's not how you end a video.
Meh.